Hello everyone, welcome back. Till now we have solved almost 30 questions of SAT. Now from today I'm going to start a series where we are going to solve one of the official SAT practice tests released by the College Board. And these tests are a great resource because they reflect the actual level and format of the SAT. So solving them with me will help you build confidence and master important strategies. So this is how it looks like. This is bundle 10 from SAT College Board, SAT Suite College Board. So these are the general instructions. If you know them, that's okay. But if you don't know them, just pause and go through them. Right? And now we are going to start the questions. Okay. Question number 1 and question number 2. Let's read question number 1. The line graph shows the percent of cars for sale at a used car lot on a given day by model year. Okay, so the x-axis is for years from 2010 to 2019 data is given to us, and y-axis is a percent of cars for sale. And let's rate it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means each line is representing 1%. Okay, great. For what model year is the percent of cars for sale is the smallest? Okay, so that means we have to find out the year where the sale was the minimum or the smallest. So in that case, the lowest point will be the solution. For example, if you go at this particular point, so this is representing year 2011, and what is the percentage of sales of car? 11 and 12%. If you come to this one, so this is 2013, and percentage of sales is 5, 6 and 7%. So this way we have to find when this is minimum. So that is the lowest point of it, right? So that means in 2014 it is the minimum. Now our question is about the year when it was minimum. No, not the percentage. What was the percentage then? So year is 2014. So if the question also includes what is the percentage of cars sold, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in 2014 only 4% of sale happened. So that means 2014 C option is our correct answer. Now let's come to question number 2. The graph of a system of linear equations is shown. Okay, when it says linear system of linear equations, that means there are 2 or more equations, but here we have 2. What is the solution of xy to the system? Now these are 2 lines. Okay, these are not lines because this is part of the graph, but these are lines for sure, right? So this is line 1. Now when I say this is a line 1, like every point on this will satisfy the equation of the line, and similarly this is line 2, so every point on it will satisfy the equation of the line. Now our question is, we need a solution pair which is satisfying both the equation. That means that must be the point of intersection of both the lines, because if you see this point is on line 1 as well as on line 2. So it is satisfying both the equations. So that is the common solution to both. And what are the coordinates of this? 4 from the x-axis and -5 from the y-axis. So that means 4 and -5 is the solution for both the equation, or you can say the systems of linear equation. 4 and -5 is the solution. That means A is the correct option. I hope you